Windows 10. Let's get started. Tech Talk. In this chapter, we will learn about an introduction to Windows 10, Windows 10 desktop, sorting desktop icons, changing the desktop background, screensaver, shapes of a mouse pointer. An introduction to Windows 10. Windows 10 is an operating system developed by Microsoft. It can be used on home and business desktops and laptops. An operating system OS is a special program that makes a computer work. It acts as a bridge between the software and the hardware. When we give an instruction through a software, the OS receives it and decides how the computer's hardware and software should work together in the best possible way. The most commonly used OS is Windows, which has different versions like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11. Features of Windows 10. Some unique features which make Windows 10 popular are: it has a graphical user interface, GUI. It has reintroduced a more traditional start menu. It has an improved taskbar. It supports multi-touch. It has a new task view button on the taskbar. It can run several programs at the same time. It is user-friendly. Windows 10 desktop. After switching on the computer, the first screen that appears on the monitor after the boot screen is called the desktop. It is the main screen that we see after turning on the computer. Like the top of an actual desk, it serves as a surface for our work. The desktop has many components. Let us know about them. Icons. The small pictures or symbols on the desktop are called icons. They show programs, files, or folders. We can open them by double-clicking on them. Taskbar. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the screen. It has the following parts. Start button. On the left side of the taskbar is the Start button. It is an important part of the desktop. Clicking the Start button opens the Start menu. The Start menu is the main gateway to the computer's programs, folders, and settings. It has two panes. The left pane displays an alphabetical list of programs called apps installed on the computer, whereas the right pane has application icons in the form of tiles. We can use the Start menu to perform the following activities: open programs and games, adjust computer settings, shut down or restart the computer, sign out from Windows or switch to a different user account. Search icon. The search icon is located next to the Start button. It helps us quickly find files, apps, and settings on the computer, as well as information on the web. It also shows frequently used apps and recently opened files. Task View button. Clicking the Task View button shows all the apps currently running on the computer, making it easy to switch between them. It is located to the right of the taskbar's search icon. Pinned and running programs. Pinned programs are app icons that remain on the taskbar permanently, even when the app is closed, for quick access such as File Explorer, Google Chrome, etc. Running programs are app icons that appear on the taskbar only when the app is open. They are highlighted on the taskbar with a lighter shade and a bar under the icon. Notification area. The notification area or system tray on the right side of the taskbar shows background programs, volume control, clock, and date. Show Desktop button. This hides all open windows to display the full desktop. Sorting desktop icons. Sorting the desktop icons means arranging them in a proper order. We can sort the icons by following these steps. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area on the desktop. A shortcut menu will appear. Step 2. Select the Sort By option. Step 3. Click on the required option to arrange the icons in that order. Changing the desktop background. Background image of the desktop is called the desktop background or wallpaper. We can change our desktop background by following these steps. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area on the desktop. A shortcut menu will appear. Step 2. From the menu, click on the Personalize option. The settings window will appear. Step 3. Select any picture from the Choose Your Picture section. Or click on the Browse button to get more picture options from the computer. After selecting a picture, the desktop background will change automatically. Screensaver. A screensaver is a moving picture or pattern that appears on a computer screen when the mouse or keyboard has not been used for a specified period of time. Windows provides several built-in screensavers. We can also create our own using personal pictures saved on the computer. Screensavers can also be downloaded from the internet. To set up a screensaver, the steps are as follows. Step 1. Right-click on the blank area on the desktop. A shortcut menu will appear. Step 2. From the menu, click on Personalize. The settings window will appear. Step 3. Select the Lock Screen option in the left pane. Scroll down in the right pane and click on Screensaver Settings option. Step 4. A dialog box named Screensaver Settings will appear. Select a screensaver from the Screensaver drop-down list. As we make a selection, we can see the preview of the screensaver. Step 5. In the Wait box, we can specify the number of minutes the system should remain idle before the screensaver starts running by using the up and down arrow buttons. Step 6. Click on Apply and then click on the OK button. Windows 10 will start the screensaver after the system remains idle for the number of minutes specified in Step 5. To stop a screensaver and return to the desktop, move the mouse or press any key. Shapes of a mouse pointer. The shape of the mouse pointer changes according to the actions we perform. Some shapes of a mouse pointer are busy. It means that the computer is busy and wants us to wait. Normal select. This arrow is used for pointing, selecting and dragging the items on the screen. Double-headed arrow. This arrow is used for resizing the windows or pictures. Four-headed arrow. This arrow is used for moving pictures and toolbars. Text select. This icon is used for inserting the text in a document. Working in background. It means that the computer is processing while we are working.